This is video number 4 in how to do better on map quizzes. Remember, we've talked about studying smarter, not harder, how your practice needs to mirror the performance, and using the habits of the brain to learn better. Well, we're at quiz day now. You've walked into class. I'm handing out the quiz. This is where we get to the performance. How are you going to perform? A couple of things. First of all, at this point, you shouldn't have to frantically review the locations. Lots of kids around you will be frantically looking at them, trying to get them memorized. You should be able to walk in and sit down and relax. Oftentimes, if you're nervous, the best thing to do when the quiz gets in front of you is just to sit there for a minute. Think about something else. Don't let your brain all of a sudden get panicky, especially if the kid behind you or next to you didn't practice it well and doesn't know their thing and they're frantically going through their atlas while the rest of the kids are getting ready to take the quiz. You should sit there, relax, do your thing. Now, once you start actually taking your quiz, no surprise, this part of the video will very much look like part 3, the video on how to practice at home, because you've practiced at home just like the quiz is going to be. So here's our quiz. We've got it in front of us. We've got our answer sheet off to the side that we're going to put our answers on. And just like you practiced, you will start with number 9. That is the first one you fill out on your answer. So Morocco goes right here. Follow the same exact pattern that you did when you were practicing. So number 1 goes next to Algeria. Take your time, spell them properly, capitalize things, go in the exact same pattern that you did at home. Finally, when you're done, lots of kids just want to get done with it and throw it up front and be done. Take time to go through. Oftentimes, I hand back quizzes, and kids will say, "Why did I get this one wrong? Why did I get this one wrong?" And then I'll point it out, and they'll also realize that they made a quick mistake that they really knew the answer to, they just went through too fast. So take your time and check it afterwards for spelling and that you didn't make any mistakes that you didn't need to. And that should be it. Remember that you can always go to the website and download more maps if you need to. And if these hints don't work or you need more help beyond this, then come and see me and we can work together on doing better. Remember, study smarter, not harder. Make sure your practice mirrors your performance. And use the brain God has given you and the habits you've developed up through 7th grade to do better on your map quizzes.